थैंक यू सो मच नीलू जी, बहुत ही सुंदर गाना है आपने, बहुत ही सुंदर। तो दोस्तों, अब ये हमारे आज के प्रोग्राम का अंतिम गीत था। इतना ही समय हमको दिया गया था। आशा है कि आपको हमारी ये कोशिश ज़रूर पसंद आई होगी और आपने एंजॉय किया होगा। अगर आपने एंजॉय किया है तो एक बार तालियों से अपने आप का स्वागत कीजिए। और हम ये उम्मीद करेंगे आपकी मैनेजमेंट से कि हमको फिर दोबारा जब चाहें आप हमें बुलाएं, हम फिर आएंगे। हम हमेशा आपके लिए तैयार हैं। दोस्तों, अब मैं जिगीशा जी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वो वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दें। सॉरी, सॉरी, एक मिनट। या उससे पहले हम आप में से कुछ लोगों को यहाँ पर एक फेलिसिटेट करना चाहते हैं। तो मैं जिगीशा से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वो एक एक करके सबको बुलाएं और फेलिसिटेट करें। जिगीशा और लता।
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, in appreciation and gratitude. Sorry. Do you want me to come here? So, ladies and gentlemen, in appreciation and gratitude for their invaluable service, Sur Sangam would like to humbly offer our felicitation to QMTI personnel. Please join me in a resounding round of applause as we humbly invite on stage Training Supervisor S.L. Patil to offer our felicitation. Mr. and Mrs. Mathur, please. Here, sorry. Thank you very much, Mr. Patil. Mr. Anand Jadhav, Hostel Warden QMTI. I request Sishir ji to please come on stage. Hip hip. I would like to invite on stage Mr. Rajiv Dokte, Instructor Engineering Drawing. I request Vijay from Sur Sangam to please come over for the felicitation. Mr. Rajiv Dokte. Lance Nayak Rajan Dogra. I request Ashima to please come over to offer her felicitation. Yeah. Lance Nayak Rajan Dogra. Please can I request Constable Ashwini Kumar to be on stage next? Madhu, please can you come over for the felicitation, please? Mr. Ashwini Kumar. Miss Neelu, software trainer. Namrata, please can you come over? Brilliant. Miss Neelu. पीछे पीछे. Thank you. Mr. MP Shinde for providing his technical assistance for this event. Request Kanchan to come over please for the felicitation. Mr. Shinde.
थैंक यू वेरी मच हमारी इस छोटी सी आपको भेंट के लिए. कम से कम इसके बहाने, इसके ज़रिए आप लोग हमें याद रखेंगे. अब मैं जिगीशा से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं फॉर वोट ऑफ थैंक्स प्लीज.
Hi again, it's me, ladies and gentlemen. As we come towards the end of this wonderful musical evening, on behalf of Mr. Mathur, who is the founder of Sur Sangam, I express our heartfelt gratitude to all of you for making this musical evening a grand success. A special thanks to the QMTI Dean Colonel Vasant Balekar and CEO Mr. Kalal Rahul Bali for inviting Sur Sangam and hosting this event. And a special mention also for Rahul Patil for hosting this event for us today, presiding over it. Sorry. Thank you to all the talented singers of Sur Sangam and QMTI. Brilliant job there for their captivating performance that filled the evening with joy and melody for all of us. Thank you to sound recordist Amol, videographer Vikram, and still photography by Nagesh. Thank you to Mr. MP Shinde once again at QMTI for the technical support provided and the projection of Sur Sangam banner that you see out here. To all our esteemed army personnel in the audience, thank you very, very much for your enthusiastic participation and the encouragement that you have been providing throughout the evening. It has been our extreme honor to present this event for you and spend the evening in this manner with you. In anticipation that you enjoyed the program as much as we enjoyed presenting it for you, this is Sur Sangam signing off for this evening and looking forward for more association with QMTI in the future. Thank you very, very much.
एक रिक्वेस्ट है, चाय पान का बंदोबस्त राइट हैंड साइड में किया गया है, आपको सभी को इनवाइट करते हैं.